We will guide you through how to save Photoshop file without background. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and load the project containing the image you want to save without its background. Once the project is open, go to the Layers panel so you can manage the individual layers in the document. Find the layer that contains the background and identify it carefully before making any changes. Click the eye icon next to the background layer to hide it, removing the background from view while keeping the rest of the image visible. Check the canvas and make sure the area where the background was located now appears transparent, usually shown by the checkerboard pattern in Photoshop. Next, select the image layer that you want to keep and review it carefully to make sure the subject or main image is still visible as intended. Check around the edges of the subject and make sure no unwanted background areas, leftover colors, or other parts of the original background remain visible. Once the image looks clean and the transparency is correct, open the File menu at the top of Photoshop and select Save a Copy to create a separate copy of the image. In the File Format options, choose PNG because this format can preserve the transparent background when the image is exported. Enter a clear and suitable name for the image so it is easy to identify later. Then choose the location where you want to save the file. After selecting the folder and confirming the file name, click Save to export the image. Wait for Photoshop to finish saving the PNG file before closing the project or moving on to another task. Once the export is complete, go to the location where you saved the image and open the new PNG file. Check the saved image carefully and confirm that the background is still transparent, making sure the subject remains visible without the original background appearing behind it.